Sometimes we help like when it's like temporary, we help like with living expenses and rent and stuff like that, or like that's a part. But the big thing is when we do livelihood, as you said, like opening a shop, helping somebody buy a car and use it as a taxi, or even motorcycle and use it to transport goods with him from place to place. Help in like opening a shop, kind of like small mini market. Yeah, we did a lot of these projects, and we bought a bus one time for 5 families to work on, 5 men to work on and provide for their families. Sometimes we help in fixing things. Let's say somebody is like he cannot fix his car or like fix his roof. We help in those as well, not only livelihood, so they don't lose their place of stay, for example, or like their source of income. And we do another round sometimes on the livelihood if they need to be a little push more financially to buy something more. Yeah, we help them to continue.